Have you ever wondered why mountains exist or why rocks seem to change shape over time?
What is weathering?
Weathering is the process of breaking down rocks present at Earth's surface.
Weathering can happen in the presence of the action of rainwater, variable extreme temperature, and different biological activities. It occurs in situ, on site with little or no movement, and so is distinct from erosion, which involves the transport of rocks and minerals by agents such as water, ice, snow, wind, waves, and gravity. Weathering processes are either physical or chemical. Water is the principal agent behind both kinds, though atmospheric oxygen and carbon dioxide and the activities of biological organisms are also important. What are the types of weathering?
Types of weathering: mechanical and chemical. Mechanical weathering is a physical breakdown. Chemical weathering is a chemical reaction changing composition. What is mechanical weathering? Mechanical weathering is a process in which rocks are broken into smaller pieces without changing their chemical composition due to several factors like fluctuating temperature and pressure and biological activities. For example, when the rocks are exposed to high and low temperature, the heating and cooling causes the rock to expand and contract. Repeated cycle of heating and cooling can cause rock to crack or break.
What are the types of mechanical weathering? Frost wedging is a process that involves repeated cycles of freezing and thawing of ice. Freezing and thawing of ice is when water gets into cracks or cracks in rocks that turns into ice and causes it to expand. Where when the water melts, it re-enters the cracks, and if the process happens repeatedly, it will cause the rock to loosen.
Frost wedging happens when there is sufficient moisture, pre-existing cracks, and when temperatures frequently rise and fall.
Salt crystal growth is a process that happens when the seawater penetrates crevices in rocks, which are found mostly in rocky shorelines and arid regions. Salt crystals are fascinating structures that form through a process called crystallization. Understanding how salt crystals grow requires delving into the basic principles of crystallization and the specific conditions that favor their formation.
Salt crystals expand when subjected to an increase in temperature that causes the widening of cracks.
Salt expansion is known as a type of soil deformation induced by salt crystallization.
Helioklastly, also called salt weathering, is a type of physical weathering caused by the growth and thermal expansion of salt crystals. The process starts when saline water seeps into the deep cracks and evaporates, depositing salt crystals.
Biological activity. Biological activity is the action of organisms, including plants and animals, that reduce the size of rock and minerals, which make the rock more susceptible to chemical weathering. For example, trees put down roots through joints or cracks in the rock in order to find moisture. As the tree grows, the roots gradually prise the rock apart. Many animals, such as these piddock shells, bore into rock for protection, either by scraping away the grains or secreting acid to dissolve the rock.
Unloading happens when through erosion or uplift, thick layers of sediments overlying deeply buried in rocks are removed.
Unloading is the reduction in pressure that happens when a mass of rock is exposed. It causes the outer layer of the rock to expand, which makes slabs of outer rock separate and break loose.
What is chemical weathering? Chemical weathering is a process wherein rock materials are changed into other substances that have different physical and chemical compositions. Chemical weathering is a fundamental process that alters the composition and structure of rocks, transforming them into different substances with distinct physical and chemical properties. This process is driven by chemical reactions, primarily involving water and other atmospheric agents, that break down the original minerals within the rock.
What are the types of chemical weathering? Dissolution. Dissolution is a process wherein a solid dissolves in a liquid. Dissolution is a type of chemical weathering where minerals in rocks are dissolved by water. This process is similar to dissolving sugar in water, where the sugar crystals break down and disappear into water. A common example is the dissolving of limestone by slightly acidic rainwater, which can lead to the formation of caves and sinkholes. Hydrolysis. Hydrolysis is a process where water reacts with a mineral to form a new mineral. Hydrolysis is a type of chemical weathering where water reacts with mineral in rock, breaking down their chemical bonds and creating new minerals. It's like water attacking the minerals, changing their composition. Oxidation occurs when there is a chemical combination of oxygen with a mineral to form an entirely different mineral in which at least one of that elements has higher ionic charge.
Oxidation. This occurs when oxygen reacts with minerals, particularly those containing iron. This process is commonly known as rusting, and it weakens the rock, making it more susceptible to further weathering.
The red color of Mars is a result of oxidation, where iron-rich minerals have reacted to oxygen to form iron oxide.
What are the factors that contribute to weathering of rocks? Factors that contribute to weathering of rocks: water, ice, acids, salts, plants, animals, and changes in temperature are all agents of weathering. Once a rock has been broken down, a process called erosion transports the bits of rock and mineral away. No rock on Earth is hard enough to resist the forces of weathering and erosion. What are the factors that affects the weathering of rocks? Factors affecting weathering of rocks. Climate mainly includes the amount of moisture in the air and temperature where weathering takes place. The higher the elevation of an area, the more susceptible it is to weathering since it is more exposed to environmental factors. Weathering rapidly occurs when there is a large surface area exposed to surface processes. When a block is broken into smaller pieces, it has a larger total surface area, which makes it more susceptible to weathering. Goldage stability series illustrates the relative stability or weathering rate of numerous minerals. This series is roughly the inverse order of original crystallization for minerals found in the Bowen's reaction series. Have you ever been to Puerto Princesa in Palawan? If not, how about knowing this place from television or from travel vloggers? This city in southern Luzon is not only known for its majestic coastlines and captivating beauty, but also for the Puerto Princesa subterranean river. Wow! The underground river system is popular for its stunning rocks formations which were formed through weathering. Witness how the popular stunning rocks formed through weathering. Here's a sneak peek on how beautiful the underground river is.
Goodbye, 잊지 않고 그 절대